Welcome to Georgetown, Grand Cayman.
Today we're going snorkeling. Got on the tender here. If you don't have a shore excursion in Cayman, you need to get tender tickets. Now we are walking from the port to the boat.
Actually the name of the boat where you will spend the next 2 hours and a half on, okay? So the name of your staff guide, my name is Eldon, and we got Dan, okay? So we will be the two guides taking care of you all for the next couple of days, okay? Okay? Now, we got 2 stops on this tour, guys. The first one will be the wreck, which will take us like 25 minutes and 30 minutes to get there, guys. So on the way down, Dan will come around and give you guys your snorkeling equipment. Okay, if you guys got your loan, you're fine to use your loan, no problem. Now, please, you can put them on, but please do not take them right back off. Do not walk on the boat with your fence on, okay? Now, the next stop, on each one of the stops, actually, I will give you guys information about the stop them as well. We got a restroom on board. It's actually not working. It's out of service. That's what we got the open ocean for. It help us warm up the water, okay? That way it goes anywhere. Now, we got 2 orange jugs of cold water. Cups is attached to it, guys. Whenever you guys want some water, feel free to use it whenever you guys want, okay? Now, any first timers today doing snorkeling? First time? Right. Now, if you're comfortable in the water with a life vest, if anyone need a life vest, just let us know. We'll provide it for you once we get there as well, okay? Alright, so you guys got any questions so far? I've got a question for you. You guys ready for a good time?
Yes, yeah.
Sure. Right, so whenever Dan give you guys your snorkeling equipment, anyone want to come up there for the ride, you're welcome to do it, okay? Right.
We're snorkeling the USS Kitiwake. 251 feet. that was the Sunken Ship and Snorkel Excursion.